Considering you got 99 percentile in GRE, would you have been comfortable or confident? Okay, even in CAT you could have scored
No way.
that well. Why not?
Say if you look at me in 8th standard or 10th standard, I was never a brilliant student. Then when I graduated Christ, I was a top student there.
Okay.
So it was an upward curving path. There's this concept called winner's effect. The more you do better, you have confidence that you can do even better.
Okay.
So the thing with CAT is it's just one attempt in a
Yeah.
single year.
Yeah, correct.
And too much of stakes right on it. And the colleges which take that exam just mainly use that exam to take you in. So it's a very high pressure, again regressive system. Whereas if I'm giving GMAT and GRE, I know यार नहीं हुआ attempt में 30 दिन बाद वापस लिख
No,
6 महीने बाद वापस
exactly. You can redo it. So essentially, the exam which gets you in the top 3 or 5 B schools of the world is comparatively easier than the one that gets you into the top 5.
I won't necessarily agree to that.
Okay.
I would say it's equally hard, but I think it's a different game.
I mean, not from the difficulty perspective, but as you said, the stakes are very different. Because if you can't crack CAT and if you want to re-give it, you have to spend an entire year or waiting for it, re-preparing for it. Much bigger of a stake.
Why can't they conduct CAT 4 times a year or
Exactly.
make it like a system where
you can give it according to
so I feel it's just administrative ineffectiveness.